Dow Jones and Nasdaq has shown a little recovery after a good drop earlier with the US Europe session. Now, what to expect from the US session? Can we expect both Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones to continue on the upward side and continue with the retracement, or we can again expect them to trade bearish and achieve lower lows here? Which position you should take in order to profit with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, press the bell icon and join my free Telegram channel to get the live market update and more notifications here. Let's start first and look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till now. Look at the hourly charts for Tech 100. You can find higher base is getting created. Support is seen from the same levels at 650, 630. Almost double bottom or higher lows are seen, and it is trying to reverse. Now you can also note that higher lows, higher highs are observed here, and hence 14,800 levels cannot be denied. If it stays above 14,730, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 14,760, and then we can also see it staying above 14,800 levels. Remember, it has to break past 14,850 in order to confirm the rise here. Stochastic rising, MACD is converging, trying to cross over for a buying position. RSI looking upwards, trying to stay bullish. Coming to two. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see after the drop, it is just consolidating here. Lower highs, flat bottom, and hence only and only if it stays above 14,850 and 900, you can say that it is trying to reverse. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness, but look at it has completed the wave here. If it converges, crosses over on the sell side, that is something you should watch out for. RSI rising, coming to 3-hour charts. Now see on the 3-hour charts after the rise, this is the big bearishness, then another bearish candle, then retracement and higher highs, then bearish candle. Now again a bearish candle with a smaller body size, and now it is trying to reverse. So this reversal is something you should watch out for. At 14,730 you can initiate a buying entry. Be careful at around 14,760 and then 14,800 levels, and then ultimately 14,850. Beyond that, it is going to be treated as extremely bullish. The stochastic is flat. MACD is seen a wave here. It is culminated here. If it crosses over again for a sell, certainly it can bring more bearishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to the 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour chart. See so far higher lows, lower highs, consolidation going on. Yes, it can probably show a rise, but then on the upside, stronger resistances exist at around 14,800 and 14,850 levels. You have to be careful at around those levels. Only and only if Tech 100 stays above 14,850, further rise and further bullishness will be seen here. Stochastic has dropped, trading comfortably. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness, slight bullishness. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to the daily, if you look at the daily chart, see higher lows are done. Previous 3 candles increasing body size. If it stays above 14,800, it is not going to look back. Remember, we can look forward to 850 and then in fact 900 levels, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail as the moving averages have just crossed over. This is still trading bearish, but at the same time the prices are trading with so much of divergence from the moving average. Hence it calls for a little retracement on the upside, and this makes that we have to be watchful at around these levels. If you look at stochastic, this is rising from the oversold levels. MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. RSI threat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 14,730 levels and sell at 14,680. But on the downside, 14,650, 630 levels, or rather I'll say 630, 620 levels, very strong support. And below 14,620 is where further bearishness might take it till towards 14,550 and 500 levels. Take positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 26 batch going to start on 9th of October. Only limited seats are available. Registration opens now, and only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now see, US30 is very simple. It is just divergent from the 20-period moving average. It is converged here. Also, it is yielding higher lows and a flat bottom with the drop. So now once it stays above 33,820, 840 levels, you can buy here. Expect 880, 950 and 34,000 levels. 3 major milestones it needs to break past by. Only and only if US30 stays above 34,050 levels, you can say little bullish momentum, and then above 34,100, stronger bullish momentum will be seen. The stochastic is rising. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buying entry on the hourly charts. RSI is also staying flat. Coming to 2-hour. Now look at 2-hour charts. After the reversal, higher lows are seen and lower highs are seen. So thus make it break out, and then once it breaks out, certainly the bulls will try to take over for 900, 950, in fact 35,000 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish, trying to trade with a little divergence. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, likewise higher lows, lower highs. Once it breaks out, certainly the bulls will try to take over. In fact, it can trade above 34,000 levels again. It has to just stay above 34,050, 34,100 levels for it to confirm that rise. See, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. If you see it as retracement, 34,000 levels can get achieved very, very soon. Stochastic is flat, MACD is trading with little divergence and it is still in green. RSI trading flat near to bottom. Coming to or looking at the 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observations. This could be the reversal if it stays above 33, 840, 880 zone. Certainly the bulls might try to take over. Stochastic is staying flat. Now look at MACD. MACD is crossing over here, trading with little divergence, trading bullish, and this crossover has come at a lower levels, and this calls for a little bullishness from here. Hence, I will expect it to rise from here if it stays above 34, 880, 920 zone. Certainly, the bullishness may prevail, and then I will look forward to 34,000 levels here. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to the now look at daily charts. See lower highs, higher lows, consolidation going on. On the upside 34,100, 34,050 levels, great gates resistance. On the downside 34,850, 800, the great gate support. And hence, as long as it stays between 33,800, 34,100 levels, 33,800, 34,100 levels, you should be cautious, alert, watchful, because see, this is a swing zone for today. Only above 34,100 is where the bullishness will be seen. Now see, 33,800 certainly is a great gate support, and below that 33,600. These are two very strong support levels for Dow Jones for today and this week. If it breaks below 33,600, more bearishness is going to prevail here. And on the upside, above 34,050, 34,100 is where the bulls will try to take over. Also, one must note that the preceding candle was a swing candle, lower highs, lower lows were seen. If it has to break out, because the prices are trading with too much divergence from the moving average, which is sitting at around 34,400 levels. Hence, beyond 34,100, certainly the bulls will try to take over, and we may see 34,200, 34,400 levels in the near future. Chances appears that it is going to be difficult, but it is something which is not impossible, and hence you have to keep your eyes and ears open and watch the market closely. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI at bottom. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 34,920. Expect 950, 70 and 34,000 as the next support levels. Beyond 34,000, certainly the bulls might try to take over for 34,050, 100 as the next strongest support resistance, and beyond 34,100, sky is the limit. US30 is going to fly high. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 33,750 levels, but then see 33,750 is anyways a good support. So rather than waiting for it, you can sell it at 33,840. Below 33,840, you can expect 800, 750, and then 700 levels as the max support. Below 33,700 is where the bears will take over. So take positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow with the UK and Europe and Asia session. Do watch that update as well. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again.